Today I'm going to be showing you how to schedule a post on Facebook. You're going to start by going to your profile in the top right corner. A drop down will appear and you select Meta Business Suite. Go to the left side and select whatever profile you'll be using. For me, I'm going to Strella. Then on the left side again, select Planner. This will be the home for all your scheduled posts. Now go to the top right corner and select Create Post. Where it says Post To, you're going to select Facebook and deselect Instagram. Then you are ready to add your assets, so either add your photo or video. Mine was on my desktop, so I selected Upload from Desktop. When you find what you're looking for, choose your video and hit the blue Upload button. Now you're going to want to go back up to Post To and make sure that Instagram isn't selected. Sometimes after posting, it will reselect and it's some sort of glitch. Now you're ready to add your caption, or as I do, copy and paste in. I always get these quotation marks at the beginning and end, so I just go in and delete those. But if you're typing your post in manually, you won't have to worry about this. After you type your caption in, it does ask you for a title. I don't think this is seen, but if it is, I would make it something short and good. Then you can select your frame if you'd like. Since this is a tutorial, I just left it the way it is. Hit the next button to continue on, and it's going to ask about captions. You can either turn these off or leave them on. After that, we can finally schedule. Go and hit the middle button that says schedule and add your date and time. For me, this is April 12th at 2 p.m. Something pops up about expiration. Under date, unselect schedule expiration. Now you're good to schedule, so go down and hit the blue schedule button at the bottom. After this, it should take you back to your planner. Whenever you get back, you might have to refresh your page like I did. Whenever I refreshed, I was able to see the post. And that's it. So congratulations, you can now schedule a Facebook post.